what you should and shouldn't do if you're preparing your home for market this spring, okay? The number one most important thing you need to be concerned about is obviously your bottom line, how much money you're going to be bringing in. So I don't want to see you go out and spend crazy money on things that just aren't going to give you a return on investment. Now, I'm going to tell you the number one worst thing you can do, and we see it time after time, is do it yourself painting, right? If you cannot paint, and I can't, right? Within the lines, and if you're painting and you're hitting the ceiling, there's brush marks all over the place, and it just looks like it was unprofessionally done. I'm telling you, that is going to cost you, and it's going to cost you so much more money than you think. Today, buyers are working more. They're working more hours. People are busier. They're running around like crazy. People don't have time to go in and do this stuff, and they're willing to pay a premium for it done correctly. Curb appeal. Curb appeal, think about it. It's the first thing that people see when they're coming up to the house. How does your home look, right? Are the shrubs a mess? Are there leaves everywhere? Do you have a dirt front lawn? Or is it grass, right? Now, I'm not saying go and spend $1 million, but what I am saying is make sure everything is neatly done. Make sure the house is power washed, cleaned, sidewalks are clear. People can easily walk through. The place had a nice spring clean. Just make sure it is nice and tidy and looks as good as it can within your budget, within your means, because again, this is the first thing buyers are going to see, and first impressions are lasting. Okay? You're going to get 100% return on curb appeal. Flooring is another biggie, okay? I've been on appointments where, I've walked into $1 million homes, and I've seen people, instead of going hardwood floors, go luxury laminate. It's happened on occasions where they've suggested this because a friend or whoever else told them to do it. Don't go that route, okay? You're almost better off not putting anything in. Okay, so again, every situation is different. And then you got your traditional 3-bed, 1 or 2 bath, ranches or Cape Cods, Usually those homes in Rhode Island, if they're built between, say, the 30s and the 60s, they've got hardwood floors already under the carpets. Refinish those floors. You're going to get a massive return on investment, and buyers stay away from carpets in a lot of cases because carpets have chemicals in them. They lock in allergens, and most people now don't want carpets, even though they're nice and toasty on your feet in the winter, right? They'd rather have the hardwood floors. And if there's no such thing as hardwood floors in the house, if it's subflooring, even luxury laminate goes down really nice and does show well with most homes.